Hello, and welcome to Massbuilds, the Metropolitan Area Planning Council's database of real estate development projects. In this video, we'll teach you how to create a user account on the Massbuilds website. For best performance, we recommend using Google Chrome to access Massbuilds at www.massbuilds.com. Once you navigate to the website, you'll see a map of Massachusetts. If you haven't visited the site before, we'll present you with a welcome message, and you'll be invited to continue to the development map. If you click the menu button in the upper right corner, you'll reveal the login for Massbuilds. This is where existing users can log in. Below the login for existing users, there's a link to sign up for someone that does not have an account. To create an account, we'll ask you for a couple pieces of information: your first name, your last name, an email address, and then you will have to pick a password. You will want to pick a password that is long enough to be secure and also memorable. At the bottom, you will have the option to request verified status. If you are a member of your state, city, or town government, you will be able to request a verified status so that you can add to developments in your region. So if you want to request verified status, just click the radio button, and after that, click sign up.